Cassar 1999 on YouTube. For today's episode, I know it's Soft with Outlaws, and I remember, on the parking game, I did reaction videos to people's custom cars and vehicles. I thought we were going to do it in here in Off-Road Outlaws because it got a lot of views. So, here we are. Plus, it gives me a good reason why to do this. And I'll say, so far, I've seen some pretty good builds in here. I mean, some very good builds. Oh my gosh. That's actually kind of funny. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, nice good old square body. Nothing beats a classic square body. Jeep on a monster truck frame. Yeah. It's too bad you can't play with the rear bumper much. I really would wish if someone would try to somehow put my YouTube channel name in one of my in here, just for to promote me that way, since I don't have the members. Wait a minute. Oh, it's got the 99 part, but not all it's missing is the Larry part. That is too funny. We are just having a good time. And plus, we're seeing some good builds in here. Some very nice builds. Some awesome stuff. And it's giving me inspiration ideas. What the? Trick? Oh my gosh, I didn't. Yeah. Unknown gamer. I find this funny. He's trying to make a John Deere tractor out of a Jeep. I just find that so funny. I don't know why. I just do. Too bad I can't get, the G-Wagon or the 6x6, because, the whole... Okay, I actually do like that. That is pretty cool. That would be wicked. A NASA car? Oh my gosh. That is just too funny. Look how skinny those tires are. You can talk about some skinny tires for the mud. I mean, yeah, skinny tires can help in some cases. But sometimes it's good to have wide tires too. So, 50-50. Oh my gosh. The vehicle's actually freaking out. I'm only giving it 1 star anyway. There's the hooligan truck. Okay, now we're talking something cute. It does look like the little RC car from Toy Story a little bit. What the heck? It's not drivable. You can't drive it. It's pointless. Oh, that Chevy is pretty awesome. That is wicked. Plus, Plus, it gave me some ideas for my builds. Let's see this stupid. This is just a joke. Alright, I can see why some people are trying to make Dukes and Haggards cars. You know, I don't mind the pink. It doesn't bother me. Doesn't bother me. Similar to my truck for colors, but you know, it's a nice one right there. Too bad I can't get the little Chevy right there because the stupid you need whatchamacallit. John Deere tractor. More like Jeep tractor. It's kind of funny. Oh my gosh, we're just having a grand old time. That almost looks like a Hot Wheels car. Oh, let's see this. Oh man, I would want this. I wish I could get this truck in Off-Road Outlaws, but I cannot. Unfortunately. I might try to get the damn thing just for, 1 or 2 months, just for the hell of it. I might try to do that because, the fact of the matter is, I'm sick and tired of, since I can't use any vehicle what I want, and some of them are locked, and I've been wanting the damn military truck, but I can't get it because of, well, you know the reasons. And one would probably get for 1 month or something like that. Tell me down below if it's worth me doing it for just 1 or 2 months. Wouldn't be for the whole year, but well, that's pretty soon. I'm going to be doing a special build on a really cool truck I saw on YouTube the other day. I couldn't believe it, what I saw. So, soon. It won't be right now because I realize how long this video is going to get, and I don't know how well my phone doesn't usually get happy with me sometimes. And so, and I know how long it will take me to go through every single vehicle, so I'm not going to be doing all of them on camera because it just takes a long time anyway. So, hope you kind of enjoyed this episode of me doing reaction in Off-Road Outlaws. And, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hell, leave me a Kamehameha down below in the comments. And for other things, I'll hit the notification bell. Also, keep an eye out on my on the community page, what I post, and the shorts, and all that. And we'll see you all in the next one.